Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can set up multiple web pages on startup on your Google Chrome browser. So you have the Google Chrome browser that you use to browse the internet in your computer, and now you want to set up multiple pages as startup pages in your Google Chrome browser, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to set up pages on startup in your Google Chrome browser in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do. It's a very simple process. You'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to set up pages as startup in your Google Chrome browser is open a Google Chrome browser. Once you open the Google Chrome browser, open all the web pages that you want to set as startup in your Google Chrome browser. So once you open all the pages that you want as startup in the Google Chrome browser, what you want to do is simply open a new tab. Then once you open the new tab, what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Then from the drop down menu, go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is go into your on startup settings. Once you go into your on startup settings, you land on an interface like this, and here you'll see three options. One will be open the new tab page, then continue where you left off, and the third will be labeled as open a specific page or set of pages. So what you want to do is simply select the third option. Once you do that, what you want to do is simply tap on the use current pages option here. Once you do that, all the pages that are open right now will appear here. So all the pages that you wanted to set as startup in your Google Chrome browser has been set as startup page in your Google Chrome browser. Now here what you can do is also add a new page anytime you want. So simply tap on this button, enter the URL, then simply tap on the add button in order to add a new page as a startup in a Google Chrome browser. Or what you can do is simply remove a page by simply tapping on the three dots here and tapping on the remove button. Once you do that, the page will be removed and it won't appear as startup in a Google Chrome browser. So those are the simple steps in order to set up multiple web pages in your startup as your Google Chrome browser. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.